How to remove background and add another in Capcut PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, let's go ahead and open Capcut in our PC. Once you open the Capcut, you want to go ahead and select the background as well as the photo where you would like to change the background of. So let's go ahead and drag it. For now, we're not going to be needing this background. So let's go ahead and remove that. So let's simply go ahead and remove the background of this photo. For that, select video. Under video, you'll find remove BG, which means that remove background. So go ahead and tap onto it, tap on auto removal, and just like so, it's gonna remove the background of the photo. So if you would like to add a background, go ahead and drag it. You want to make sure that this picture is right above, and as you can see that the background is changed. You can simply tap onto it and adjust your background. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.